It is always said that each one of us, at some point of our life, try to look at opportunities which can help us grow in our life and reach that goals we always look for. And the nature is so well designed that if you look for something, it is going to come to you some part of your life. So this may be your right point of that opportunity which can change your life and your family's future forever. I am Raj Shekhar and I've been in this business for the past 18 years and I am a soaring manager. I've been doing this business because I was a businessman earlier, but I could not get the business going right for me because of so many other aspects which were stopping me from my growth. So I was looking for some opportunity which nobody can take any part of it. I will be the decision maker and I can change my future. And that really happened with me with this wonderful company called Forever Living Products. And I hope it is going to change your future forever. So stick with me for the coming 1 hour and I will teach you how to work on this marketing plan or what exactly this marketing plan asks us to do for our great future. So sit with me now and do not get disturbed so that you are going to take away some good important points for you to carry with your life. Before I get into the session, I would request you to have your pen and pencil and your notebook for jotting out some points which you feel that are very good in Forever Living Products. And in case if you feel that these points are to be clarified, then you can go back to your upline and you can definitely get the clarifications done. So keep your notebooks ready and let's get in, my dear friends. If you are really looking for something, the marketing plan is the crucial point of a business, my dear friends. Marketing plan is so important that our business all depends totally on this marketing plan. And coming to Forever Living Products, now we need to understand this marketing plan very clearly. So there are so many intricate informations which you need to understand before getting into the business or as you get along in the business so that you know these points and you are aware of these points and you can definitely understand that this is the way I need to do this business. So let's jump in into this. When we are designing our future, lot of times we take opportunities, but unfortunately, those opportunities may not work with us. There are few aspects of it. That is, maybe the company is not right, maybe the marketing plan is not right, or maybe the products are not right. All these three has to be in place so that the opportunity really takes people into their future. And when I'm talking about the future, Forever Living Products has people who have been working with us past 43 years. So it is a very, very important thing to understand that the future is designed according to the company's plan. So welcome to this company's plan. Now, before we get into the company plan, we need to check out on three important aspects of the business. One, that is background and backbone of the company. Two, products, and three, financial compensation. So today we will discuss about these 3 points aspects of this business. Forever Living Products started in 1978 in Phoenix, Arizona, my dear friends. So we are already a 43-year-old company. And if we look at our growth aspect, then we have grown across the globe in over 160 countries. And the best part is we have never got any negative remark on the company. So we are 43-year-old company and around the globe. And in India, if we look at India, we started India in 2000. So we are already 20-year-old company in India. And we have been seeing a consistent growth in India also. To look at the turnover of this Forever Living Products globally, we do approximately around 3.8 billion turnover globally, my dear friends. And today we have got more than 10 million forever business owners who are associated with us and who are growing along with us and forming their future, my dear friends. And in India, we are doing a turnover of 500 crores, which is very, very less according to the population and the turnover. We have not covered much in the market. So there is lot of scope for us to grow in this business in India also. And coming to the point of the products, Forever Living products have worldwide patents on this. Most of the products have worldwide patents. So they are unique, my dear friends. Being unique itself is very, very important for a business, because today market has a lot of competition. There are different kinds of manufacturers. There are cheap manufacturers. There are high priced manufacturers. But here we need to look at, if we are taking up a business, any business for that matter, it is important that we need to have some patents. They will be unique. And Forever Living Products is world leaders in aloe vera. So we have got some unique aloe vera products. You must have already understood that you should to know about the products, you should also attend our product trainings, and you will also know more about the products over there. Today we are talking about marketing plan, then we will shift into the financial compensation. When we talk about financial compensation, my dear friends, Forever Living Products is called most FBO friendly plan. What does that mean? That means it is the most forever business owner like you and me friendly plan. Now, the design is so well done that this has become the best in the world, and here we get highest payouts from the in the industry. So we have got several types of incentives to pay us in several different methods, and we also have got a wonderful bonus which is called chairman bonus, which we can also take it up as yearly bonus or a Diwali bonus. Every year we get this yearly bonus along with the paychecks what we get on regular basis, on a monthly basis. Apart from this is an yearly check. So there is a huge incentive range available in Forever Living Products for my dear friends. And when it comes to business, we need to talk about the products going to the customer. So we need to understand this customer cycle very well. Whenever the product is manufactured in a traditional business, if we look at regular traditional business, then the manufacturer keeps his cost, manufacturing cost, then gives it to the national distributor, regional distributor, wholesaler, retailer, TV ads, hoardings, sponsorships, warehouse. There is a lot of expenditure involved as it goes to the consumer, and consumer pays the entire cost of the process which is there in the traditional business. The same thing happens in Forever Business also. Forever Business also has a manufacturing cost. So Forever Living Products is a manufacturer. Then he keeps the manufacturing cost, and as an FBO, Forever Business owner, you and me can pick up all the bonuses which are paid to the distributors and wholesalers, TV hoardings, everything that is given to an FBO pocket in Forever Living Products. So our job is to take these products to the consumer and get the total incentive which are paid to the different people in the traditional business. We take the entire incentive. So don't you feel that is going to be a big bonus for us? Because when so many distributors are paid in traditional businesses, all that put in one package goes to us in Forever Living Products. So I think that is a very, very exciting point of Forever Living Products, which I saw as a businessman before coming into the Forever Business. Then I felt that if the distributors are taking, because I know the traditional business takes a lot of incentives for the distributors. So when the amount is coming to a FBO here in Forever Living Products, there's huge money, my dear friends. That is a point which can make real things for us, which whatever dreams we had. So coming to Forever Business. Now, how Forever Business is very simple and easy. Forever Business is, there is no joining phase. So in traditional business, we have a lot of money involved. And I personally say that in traditional business, money makes money. That means people who have money will only earn money there. But people who have talent may not have that kind of growth in traditional business. But when it comes to Forever Business, your talent is your asset, my dear friends. And it is a unique thing which the nature has given you. So you need to put on your talent, involve your talent, put yourself into it, and then grow. So Forever Business, there is no joining phase. There is no renewal fees. This is important again. No renewal fees, free seminars, free trainings, unlimited income. Now, what is this unlimited income? The unlimited income opportunity is you can grow as much as you want. There is no capping. Lot of direct selling companies have capping in them. So we don't have any capping here, and that gives you an unlimited income access. And this is a global business, my dear friends. Imagine if you want to start an industry, or imagine you want to start a business in a next place where you stay, how much money is involved. But when it comes to Forever Living Products, Forever Living Products has set up all the infrastructure for us in global platforms so that we can do the business globally. And apart from all these benefits, Forever gives us one more important benefit, that is inheritance. That means your family inherits your business after you. That really means that the day you start this business, if you are consistently working in this business, and as you grow in the business, the total thing helps you as long as you are there in the world, and you need not stretch your hands in front of anybody, even in your old days. And after that, your spouse and children will inherit this business. And bonuses are paid on BRP, that is bonus recap price. And this one thing which hit me very strongly before I started this business was Western income in India. Imagine that, my dear friends. A lot of people travel abroad, go abroad, leave their families here, back here, and then go there for some money. But if this same money comes to you sitting here with your family and earning the same money, don't you think that will be a real big part? Forever Living Products does a wonderful job in giving us the Western income in India also. So we need to understand that when the income is talked about, there are certain rewards of the plan. That means different places, we get different incentives in the business. So this is called a lock and key of the business. So whatever you open, whatever incentive you open, you get additional income. So there are different reward plans of the plan. They are called discounts are there, retail profits, personal bonus, volume bonus, leadership bonus, gem bonus, earned incentive program, which is a wonderful program, chairman bonus. I have told you this is a yearly bonus. Apart from all this, personal development, I personally feel this is an important point. Making money is one aspect, and also developing ourselves is another aspect. So Forever Living Products help us in developing ourselves, also improving our personal development, and we also get exotic vacations. So these are all laid up for us in Forever Living Products, my dear friends. So now coming to business philosophy. Now, anybody has to join a company at some point of a time. So Forever Living Products, you come into this company as a customer, and we call you as a preferred customer. So first thing is you join the company as a preferred customer. So to join the company as a preferred customer, you should be 18 years of age. Then 2, you should have your Aadhaar card and PAN card. Just these 3 are enough for you to get into this wonderful opportunity, my dear friends. So anybody can do it. You need not be. We don't check your financial background. We don't check your selling skills. Nothing, my dear friends. Just you need to sit and understand the free seminars which are given to you. You need to understand from that. So you come in as a preferred customer into the company. And as a preferred customer, you get some benefits. First thing is you get some discounts so that you can use the products as a preferred customer. As you keep using the products, you will like some products. And the moment you like some products, you can recommend the products. The business philosophy is very, very simple in Forever Living Products. First, you use the products. 2, you recommend the products. Then 3, as you recommend the products, you would be sharing it with others, and you can develop this into a lucrative business, my dear friends. Only these 3 points, nothing else comes in between. So you can be very clear on what you are supposed to do in Forever Living Products. Use the products, share the products, recommend the products. So coming to marketing plan structure. As you know that if you're 18 years old, you have an Aadhaar card and a PAN card, you can become a preferred customer. As you have become a preferred customer, you can start purchasing. And the moment you start purchasing, there are certain discounts for you, and also some points are accumulated for you so that you can build your business on these points. These points in Forever Living products are called CCs, case credit. So common currency. We can also just interpret it as a common currency or a case credit. So each product has this, and if you buy our flagship product, which is called Aloe Vera Gel, which is the world's best and very famous product in Forever Living products. If you buy one Aloe Vera Gel, it will give you 0.102 cc's. So if you buy around 11 aloe vera gels, it will be approximately 1.122. So so understand this cc, my dear friends. So 1 cc would be giving you around 10 aloe vera gels, my dear friends. So understand the cc. As a preferred customer, you have a few important things you need to understand, that is, whatever positions we are going to discuss now are going to be a permanent positions. There is no reversion in Forever Living products. So that is one point I also liked when I started this business, because a lot of companies, we start at zero and every month we go back to zero and we have to derive our incentive level. But in Forever Living products, the moment you achieve one level, that is a permanent level, and you have to achieve it in any 2 consecutive months. This is important in Forever Living products, my dear friends. Any 2 consecutive months. And in these 2 months, because Forever is giving us a global business, you can operate in any country you want, my dear friends. So your home country may be different, and you may be operating the business in any other countries also. So all these CCs accumulate and then give you the positions, my dear friends. So you need to accumulate these 2 consecutive months, all the CCs, my dear friends. So what is that we are going to get? How is the marketing plan structure? Let's understand. As a preferred customer, when you buy some products, you get 15% discount on BRP, bonus recap price, my dear friends. So what is bonus recap price? The bonus which is paid to you from the company on that, my dear friends. So BRP is different. So on BRP, you get this 15% as a preferred customer. If you just want to be a preferred customer, then there is no question asked. You can be there and just enjoy the products as long as you want, and you can take care of your health very well, and also get into these wonderful chemical-free products from Forever Living products. So as a preferred customer, you get to access this good products of Forever Living products. Now, if you want to increase your incentive percentage, or if you want to increase your discount also, then the slabs come in front. So 15% discount, and the moment you finish 2 cc, I have told you earlier in the slides that 1 cc would be approximately 10 aloe vera gels. The cc value should be 1 cc. So likewise, to become an assistant supervisor, you have to do 2 cc business in any 2 consecutive months. You can do this, my dear friends. So there is no rush to do it immediately on the day one you join. You can take 2 consecutive months, that to any 2 consecutive months for you to get your business started and finish your 2 cc's. Now, what is the advantage? The moment you do 2 cc's is you get 30% discount lifelong, my dear friends. This is an important point of this business plan. 15% discount as a preferred customer, but 30% discount the moment you finish 2 cc, that too all throughout your life, whenever you make a purchase on your ID number, my dear friends. So 30% discount, isn't it huge? It is very, very huge. After that, what? The best thing is, after 2 cc, whenever you have a preferred customer, you get additional 15% profit on whatever preferred customers purchase from you, my dear friends. So 15% discount, profit, 15% profit on all the preferred customer purchases, and on your purchases, you get 30% discount and 5% personal bonus as an assistant supervisor. That means you open up another lock which is called personal bonus after discount. Then as you grow in the ladder, the slab gives you the personal discount increase. So as an assistant supervisor, you get 5%, supervisor 8%, assistant manager, you get 13%, and as a manager, you get 18% discount. That is called personal bonus, along with 30% discount, my dear friends. So look at the discount, which is huge here as you grow in the ladder. So this is important for you to understand that you have to grow in this ladder to get more discount on the products, and also you can start making money from this plan. So you have understood about the personal bonus. Now we will understand about volume bonus. This is another incentive for the same work what you do. We have another incentive as you start growing. The moment you become a supervisor in Forever Living Products, volume bonus again starts coming up, my dear friends. So volume bonus starts at supervisor level. That is called, I personally call it as gap commission. The gap between your slab and your junior slab, that is your team member slab. If you have an assistant supervisor under you, the gap is that 3% in personal bonus. That gap is paid to you on whatever business is happening in your assistant supervisor team. So supervisor, you get 3% as gap commission. If you are an assistant manager, now I think you are able to understand volume bonus. It is simply called as gap commission also. So you can understand that the gap between assistant manager and supervisor is 8%. So that gap commission is paid to you on whatever supervisor business is done. If you have supervisor under you, then on the supervisor's team, you get 5% on the entire turnover what they make. The next slab, the bigger one, is manager. You are able to understand here the gap is huge. The volume bonus is huge. So 13% on assistant supervisor team, 10% on supervisor team, and 5% on assistant manager team. My dear friends, I know this, you need to understand it very, very clearly. You can time and again come back and understand this as long as possible, as long as you are able to understand it clearly, because Forever gives us free trainings, free seminars, so you can just attend as many times as possible. There is no questions asked, so you can keep coming back and then attend these trainings, my dear friends. Now when it comes to incentives, when I have already told you, from assistant supervisor till manager, you get, whenever you have a preferred customer purchase, you get 15% additional bonus on their purchase. And as an assistant supervisor, you get 5% bonus on your personal purchases also. So as an assistant supervisor, you get 5% personal bonus. If you are a supervisor, you get additionally 8% personal bonus and 3% volume bonus. As an assistant manager, you get 13% personal bonus and 5% volume bonus on supervisors, 8% on assistant supervisors. So as a manager, now the big incentive, which is called 18% bonus on personal purchases, 5% on assistant manager total group sales, then 10% on supervisor group sales, and then 13% on assistant supervisor group sales. So these are the incentives which are paid to you at different level. There are more incentives you can achieve, more levels you can achieve, which we can cover in our manager and beyond trainings, my dear friends. So there are manager and different trainings. Today you have come to attend this marketing plan. So we are just talking about the importance of the marketing plan and the basics and how to do the marketing plan. After this, you can go to the manager and beyond training. So a lot of people have one question in their mind always. In past my 18 years, I have seen that what is the entry level income? If I come into Forever Living Products today, can I make some money this month itself? Yes, my dear friends. Forever Living Products has laid a wonderful plan for all of us to start getting incentive On the day one, you come into Forever Living products. So how is that happening? Then possible entry level income, we will just calculate some possibilities on how the entry level income would be. Normally, if you look at Forever Living products, when we talk about usage of the products, most of the families consume 4 aloe vera gels per month. So 4 aloe vera gels in a month, if you are consuming and you go out into the market, share your experience of how Forever aloe vera gel has helped you. Then if you start recommending or sharing with your friends, then start recommending them. And in case in one full month, in 30 days, you have approached 20 families and asked them to use 4 aloe vera gels in that month so that they get the experience of the products. So what happens? 20 aloe vera gels, just for illustration, how much would you make? This is a profit, my dear friends. Don't you think this is a wonderful income in the first month itself? If you just have purchased 4 aloe vera gels, started using the products, recommended to others, and you recommended to 20 people in 30 days, this is very, very possible in Forever Living products. So with 20 preferred customer purchase, you would approximately get around 33,440 rupees in the first month itself. Over and above that, if you are an assistant supervisor, then your 5% personal bonus adds to that 33,440 and it is 39,000 plus, my dear friends. If you are a supervisor, again that 8% adds on, and as 8% adds on, your incentive grows, and as an assistant manager, 13% adds on personal bonus and your income is 48,000. If you are a manager in Forever Living products, then 18% adds on and it totally accumulates to 54,517 rupees 28 paisa approximately. Now, my dear friends, don't you think this is a wonderful income on the first month itself? If somebody tells it, shares the benefit of the products to others, their friends and family, 20 people for that matter, in 30 days, your income is 33,440 approximately. And I feel to start with, that is a great income from Forever Living products. Because as I told you earlier in the slides, that Forever Living products is a FBO friendly plan. So you need to understand that the company feels that if you as an FBO are successful in Forever Living products, then company feels that company also is successful along with you. So this is a win-win situation for the company and you, my dear friend. So start off, if you are an assistant supervisor, don't look aside, don't look here and there. Just if you are a preferred customer, start making a purchase and start recommending it to your friends. Then when you are recommending it to friends, sometimes our mind shows us some easy options, or our mind drifts our mind away and looks for easy options. And these are easy options. Never do that, my dear friends, in Forever Living products, because here you and me are here to make a career for ourselves and our family. So don't look for shortcuts. Never sell these products below NCP price. Now, what is this? This is new novice customer price or a preferred customer price. Never sell your product below NCP price, and never sell your products to your downline. Because if you are looking for an easy method selling your downline, you are killing your own downline and your business will not expand. So here we are to build our business and to build globally. So focus on that. Focus on your customers only, and do not sell it to your cross-line FBOs also, my dear friends, because they are also here to build their life. And if you are going to do this, then you're unnecessarily drifting your mind away into unwanted things rather than building your business. You will not be building your business properly. So never do this, my dear friends, in Forever Living products, and do not sell these products in high street shops and online stores. Online store selling is strictly prohibited. Selling the products into the street, high street shops are also prohibited in Forever Living products, my dear friends. So understand this very clearly. Understand your goals. Understand your dreams. Go with them, not these shortcuts, my dear friends. Then coming to the next thing, we have just compared a possible monthly income for just 20 preferred customer retail business alone, my dear friends. When it comes to business and when it comes to business and as the business grows, there's a huge incentive which makes many of the forever living products FBOs millionaires and multi-millionaires. So now coming to the next incentive level, which is called volume bonus. As you are recruiting some people, when does the volume bonus start? It starts at supervisor level. But what is that volume bonus? How does it help us? So as you keep on recruiting FBOs, and the marketing plan philosophy says you are active to recruit FBOs. So you are active. You too should be active in Forever Living Products, because each one of us has to be active in the business so that the business grows properly as we want. So, and also this will help you encourage others to join this business, build their life also. As you are recruiting people, you may be playing a part for the success of another person. So that's a very good thing for which comes to us through this company called Forever Living Products. So volume bonus, my dear friends, if you want to pick up bonus from FBOs, that is new customers or preferred customers, then there is no qualification for you. You need not be showing your active qualification because this itself is, you are actively doing this. So actively have done this and they are a preferred customer for you. Whenever they make a purchase, along with their discount, which is 15%, you get also the volume bonus. That is, according to the position of what slab you are, according to that slab from 5 to 13%, you get volume bonus and a volume bonus in this company, and you get on the preferred customer also, you get the same incentive. So 15% plus your slab incentive in the volume bonus, and volume bonus is done on your assistant supervisor level and above. How does this happen? As you're recruiting some people, some of them will become assistant supervisors who will finish their 2 CCs, and also some people will become supervisors, assistant managers. So different people from FBO level, they shift to different positions, my dear friend. So as they are shifting to the other position, as your team grows, you should also do your part. That is called, you should be active. You must be active from, if you want to pick up bonuses from your team, my dear friends. And this starts from supervisor level. So what is this? To qualify for bonuses on assistant supervisors and above, you should enjoy a business of 4 CC open business. 4 CC open business. You need to understand this, my dear friends. 4 CC is the root and the point where we can make big incentives on Forever Living Products. So you need to concentrate on your 4 CC. That is called showing your active business. So how do you need to do the 4 CC? 1 CC in your ID. My dear friends, understand, all CCs, all 4 CCs can be done on your ID, but minimum is 1 CC on your ID. And Forever Living Products, we all recommend you to do this 1 CC business in your ID before 5th of every month or by 5th of every month, so that you will have the rest of the month in recruiting your preferred customers, so that you can make the next 3 CC plus from your preferred customer review. So remember this, my dear friends, 1 CC in your ID and 3 CC from your preferred customers is required to pick up volume bonus. Now, as you pick up volume bonus, till manager you pick up volume bonus. But once you are a manager and you have in your entire team, if you have 1 manager under you directly, then immediately leadership bonus, then other incentive starts coming to you. So to qualify for leadership bonus, we have to have 1 direct manager, and you should be active by 12 open CC business outside your manager business. That means if you have 1 manager team, 1 manager group under you, and you have other business under you also, from all the entire teams, apart from your 1+3, what we have active qualification, you should have additional 8 CC from the other team. Don't you think this is possible, my dear friends? When you are recruiting team, when you are having a team, then if one of them becomes a manager, you have got an entire team existing which can give you additional 8cc. That means totally 12cc has to come from your other lines, my dear friends. That is called leadership bonus. To pick up leadership bonus from your manager business, you need to do this business. Now the good part, coming to the good part is, if you have created a next manager, that is second manager, then your active qualification is your 4cc, 1 plus 3, what you have called. But because you have created a new manager, you are called a senior manager, and open business should be only 8. Now, earlier, if you had one manager, you had to do 12 open CC business. But if you have got 2 managers under you, then it is 8cc. And if you create another manager, third manager under you, then you get, the good news is you can go back to your 4cc. That means 4cc open business, which you are there at the manager level. Again, if you create 3 managers, the 4cc comes back to you. So now you have a question. So how long should I do this 4cc? My dear friends, the good part of Forever Living Products is, if you develop 25 direct managers under you, you become a diamond manager, and there is no active qualification from there. So my dear friends, if you are seriously looking for that growth, then think about diamond manager in Forever Living Products, because there is no active qualification required as you are a diamond manager. And remember, all these 25 managers should be active and doing their businesses properly. So coming to leadership bonus, now you understood volume bonus, next leadership bonus. Now leadership bonus, now we will talk about income, incentive on your CCs. How much? You heard about the CCs incentive, how much you get. Now CCs you have to do, active qualification you have to do, and then now the leadership bonus incentive, how much do you get? Incentive is on every first direct manager under you whom you have recruited, you are given 6% on their turnover, my dear friends. 6% on whatever that manager line does a turnover of that month, you get 6%. Then that direct manager recruited his direct downline, that is your second generation, you get 3%. On third generation, you get 2%, my dear friends. So 632 is from first generation, second generation, and third generation teams, my dear. And this is from first manager to 8th manager, my dear friends. The moment you create a 9th manager, gem bonus comes in. This is another incentive again. Gem bonus starts at 9th manager the moment you achieve 9th manager. Now what happens here? 1% increase in your incentive. Earlier it was from till 8th manager, it was 632. Now as a 9th manager, from the moment you create 9th manager, this incentive comes to 7%, 4%, 3%, 1%. The moment you finish your 17th manager, again 1% hike. And if you create 25 direct managers, it is 9%, 6%, 5%. Calculate, my dear friends. This is a wonderful bonus you can come to. You have to calculate, understand the CCs, and do your homework so that you can understand what is the kind of income which comes through this incentives. Next, we have talked about incentive. We will also talk about volume bonus CCs. Now, this is important for you to understand in the marketing plan of Forever Living Products. CCs are developed in the group. So if the moment your first generation manager develops any amount of CCs, that 40% of the CCs will count to you, my dear friends. But the income on his 100% of the CCs comes to you, whereas CC for calculation, only 40% comes to you. This is important to be fair to all and get the reward of the hard work for each one equally. So 40%, second generation creates X amount of CCs. On that, 20% CCs goes to you, counts for you, my dear friends. Third generation, 10%. So you need to understand CC accumulates 40%, 20%, 10% on first generation, second generation, third generation, respectively. So this is a CC count for you. Whereas, as I told you, income will be on total 100% CCs. Then, Forever Living Products has got one dream opportunity for a lot of people. That dream is forever to drive or a car plan, because most of the people aim for a car. When I came into this company, I was excited about this because I never had a car. I was dreaming for buying a car, but I didn't know how to get to that level of buying a car and maintaining it. Fortunately, Forever Living Products has given me that opportunity to aim for this and achieve this. Till now, I have achieved car plan thrice in my journey, my dear friends. And how to achieve this? It is important, as I told you, in Forever Living Products is the CCs, my dear friends. So you need to stick to your CCs and understand these CCs. So level one, if you want to get to car plan level one in Forever Living Products, you need to work it out on 3 consecutive calendar months. So what you need to do? First month, 50 cc, second month, 100 cc, third month, 150 cc. 3 consecutive months, all not clubbed together. It is every single month you should do a CC equivalent to this CC shown or more than that to qualify for this level. So level 1 gives you 26,000 to buy a car, and I bought a car with that. And level 2 gives you 75 cc, 150 cc, 225 cc. Level 2 gives you 39,000, and level 3 100 cc, 200 cc, 300 cc in 3 consecutive months will give you 52,000. Do you think you can buy a car? I felt I cannot buy a car, but I bought a car. Can I tell you the secret? The secret is this comes to you for the next 36 months. So it is 36-month plan. You need not worry about the money. And the best part of Forever Living Products, why I feel Forever Living Products is the best, because most of the companies ask you to maintain the 3rd month target regularly, then only you are paid the incentive. But Forever Living Products is apart from all the other companies. They say, the Forever Living says that for even if you are less by 1 cc, if you are short by some cc's, on each cc, we deduct 173.33 rupees of each cc, and balance is paid to you. Imagine that, my dear friends. Forever Living Products always looks for how to pay us, and Forever Living Products always plans to give us more money as early as possible. So you need to understand this. You need to work this plan and work accordingly for your car plan. And the moment you get this incentive, you can go out, buy a free car which you can drive, and as a gift from Forever Living Products for the hard work what you have done for yourself and for your family. The luxury of the car comes home, my dear friends. Next, as you are buying a car, if you are a manager, then what would be your income? Now, see, not only having a car, along with that, your income also should be equally important. So if you are a manager, we will talk about the income potential of a manager in Forever Living Products. So you know that the moment you join, you are recruiting some people, and then out of them, some people are becoming assistant supervisor, assistant manager. So these all the positions are coming up under you. So the manager income, if you are a manager, and if you have 1 supervisor and 1 assistant manager under you, here the example typically is taken that if a supervisor is doing around 30 cc's in a month, and the turnover is approximately 4,23,000 turnover, on that turnover 10%, 42,300 is given to you. So 10%, you now understand that 10% on a manager, the gap commission is 10%, you are at 18%, your supervisor is at 8%, so the gap is 10%, that is paid to you. So that is 42,000. And if you have an assistant manager who is showing a turnover of 100 cc, so 5% comes to you, that is approximately 70,500. So a manager income roughly in a month will be 1,12,800, my dear friends. Don't you think that's a good amount to be a manager in Forever Living Products? Forever Living Products has laid a step-by-step procedure from wherever you are, you can reach to this income level as early as possible. And in the coming slides, I will be discussing on how fast you can come to this position, my dear friends. So that's not the limit for a manager, my dear friends. We are just taking an example of supervisor, one supervisor and one assistant manager. You can have second supervisor and second assistant manager. You can have third supervisor, third assistant manager. There is no limit as such in Forever Living Products, my dear friends. If you have one supervisor and one assistant manager, the income you have seen. If there are multiple people in your team, imagine what kind of money would come to you and your family if you start this business and stick to this marketing plan as it is set for you, and you can grow. When I first reached manager, and the first income, what I got 18 years back, that is in December 2002, when I became a manager, my check was more than 65,000 rupees back in 2002, my dear friends. Don't you think that's a good money in 2002? I want to ask you one question. What were you doing in 2002? I was here. And today also I am here. So I always tell, if you are looking for a bright future, if you are looking for one company, this is a wonderful company which will always help you to grow as long as you are with the marketing plan and as long as you are working the marketing plan correctly. Then, this is just an initial illustration only, my dear friend. Manager makes more than that. Today, managers are making 60,000 rupees to 2 lakh every single month, my dear friends, earning 2 lakh per month. Here, it is very, very crucial that to understand that 2 lakh per month is very, very good money, my dear friends. Then, now I come to the point of how to go to that manager level. If you just start off today, how much time will it take? How we need to go there? This is how we need to plan, my dear friends. Remember, again, I am going to tell you that this is a 2-month accumulation plan till manager, my dear friends. So you need to look at 2 consecutive calendar months. And these CCs can come from anywhere in the world. CCs will come for your move up, my dear friends. So CCs can come from anywhere, from any country, my dear friends. Now, how to work it out to the manager level? As a preferred customer, you start using the products, share the products. Month 1, if you are seriously looking for a real good opportunity which can change your family's future, then Forever Living Products, it has proven itself to be the best opportunity. So month 1, target 10 cc, my dear friends. 10 cc with your group. First month you can target, and second month 15 cc. So how do you plan this? You remember assistant supervisor is 2 cc. So you can recruit number of people and complete that target so that you will be in line with how we can grow in this company faster and a better way. So first month 10 cc, second month 15 cc, that is equivalent to 25 cc. So the moment in 2 consecutive months, you have become a supervisor. Now what in the next month? Reuse previous month. This is the crux of Forever marketing plan. Reuse previous month. Don't let them go, my dear friends. Reuse them. So third month, use 60 cc so that your second month 15 cc and third month 60 cc. Both together you get 75 cc, you are an assistant manager, and the fourth month 60 plus cc's, you are a manager. So in 4 months, you can do it, my dear friends. I personally has done this in 5 consecutive months. You can also do it. There is not a big rocket science in this. Just to stick to the CCs and you can do it 100%, my dear friends. So what do you need to do? Learn while you earn. So you need to also earn, and you also need to learn here. You need to attend all the trainings, learn marketing plan, learn products, build your confidence, build your map, which is called as massive action plan. This is a crucial thing, my dear friends. Massive action plan. If you have come to this opportunity, don't just sit on the opportunity. Start moving ahead, as I have already told you. And as you move ahead, identify 5 business partners, 5 key people in your business who can become supervisors. Ask them to become supervisors. You know how to become a supervisor in month 1 and month 2. So ask them to become supervisors. 5 supervisors, you are automatically a manager, my dear friends. This is that simple. Keep it that simple, because manager is a very, very possible, and it's a very good income in Forever Living products. So what is manager? After manager and beyond. If you create 2 managers, you are called senior manager. If you have 5 managers, you're called soaring manager. If you have 9 managers, you are called gen manager, and 9 managers, you are called sapphire manager, 17 managers, diamond sapphire manager, 25 managers, diamond manager, 50 managers. There are people who have done 50 managers in their career in Forever Living products. You too can do it. Double diamond manager and triple diamond managers. So many triple diamond managers who have created 75 managers in their direct team, and 100 managers, centurion diamond. And we have put our CEO founders photograph here, Mr. Rex Mon, who has really, really changed millions of life, my dear friends. And you will also be, you can also change your life, my dear friends. Then travel incentives, again, a part of a dream. Travel incentive, a lot of people have travel as their dreams. So we have got 3 holiday packages for you, holiday incentives, we call them. One is manager retreat. It will be somewhere in India, Eagle Manager Retreat, and Global Rally. Then manager retreat. Manager retreat will be in somewhere in India, and there are 3 levels in this. Everybody can qualify this. How to qualify? 200 non-manager CCs, personally sponsored, and you need to develop 2 new supervisors in the qualification period, and you and 1 assistant manager. You have to be active with 4 CC every month. You all move up should be direct and happening in the qualifying period. So you should have 2 supervisors and 1 assistant manager in the qualifying period. All case credits should come from 3 or more direct lines, my dear friends. This is to understand for the level 1. Now, what do you get? 2 nights, 3 days trip for 1 person with 1 flight ticket, my dear friends. Level 2, 300 non-manager CCs, and in this you need to develop 1 supervisor and 2 assistant manager lines. You should be active, and you should have these people in teams in 3 or more lines. Qualification is you get 2 nights, 3 days stay for yourself and your spouse, along with the flight tickets and stay and meals. Then level 3, 400 non-manager CCs, and in that you need to recruit and make 3 new distributors as assistant supervisors, assistant managers, and all the 3 has to be from different lines. They should maybe have a direct 3 nights, 4 days stay, my dear friends, for 2 people, flight tickets and stay, and with meals, everything. So this is a manager retreat qualification. And in the manager retreat qualification, non-manager FBOs, that is, before becoming a manager also, you can get into this, but you are you will start getting qualifying after you become a manager, recognized manager in this company. So as early as possible, become a recognized manager and qualify for this retreat, my dear friends. Manager retreat and beyond, you can see it in manager and beyond trainings. Now we will talk about important aspect, because this is a global business, global rally, you get global incentive also. So this is global rallies. You will visit a unique place anywhere in the world during April and May. You can see this in manager and beyond trainings. But for qualification, you should have 1500 CC group CCs, or you should qualify for chairman bonus. Now, when it comes to international travel, it is your passport is your responsibility, and it should be 6 months, at least 6 months valid before the time of departure. Now, chairman bonus, 3% of the qualifying country. That means whichever country has qualified for share in the chairman bonus, that is accumulated in the global pool. A dollar value is derived to that, and to that dollar value, the incentive comes. Now, to qualify for this, you should be a recognized manager, and you should be active. You should have an earned incentive, car incentive program, and you should be leadership qualified for this. There are 3 levels in this. Now, let's say the global pool is in dollars, and that is $15 million. Let's say this. Because chairman bonus is paid in dollars, you have to calculate this in dollars and understand this in dollars. Now, level 1, 50% is there. Level 3, 1/3, and level 3, 1/6 amount is shared among this money. And when you qualify for level 1, we know that among this 50%, that money is shared. But when you qualify for level 2 or level 3, what happens? Your value is paid to you. How is it paid to you? Now, for example, global, each level has a certain dollar value for that, and it is accumulated it is calculated with the amount in a dollar accumulation. Then what happens? If you, let's say, do 5,000 cc's and 1 cc is around $5, then if you do, it is equivalent to $25,000. That is approximately 15 lakh rupees. Now, level one, if it is X money, then X money is given to you. But if you qualify for level 2, your X is there, plus Y also comes in. When you are qualifying for level 3, Z, Y, and X, all three are paid to you in your chairman bonus, my dear friends. International business, very, very important to understand. International business, you can grow this business anywhere in the world, and each country is a separate business, but your upline is same in every country. You can sponsor any number of people in anywhere in the world. So now, for example, maybe you will be saying that I don't know anybody anywhere in the world, and you have got a team. So in your team, even if somebody knows their friends in abroad, if they start their business, you will automatically start making money. I have automatically got income coming from different countries now, even though I have not known anybody from there. I get some incentive. So this is an important incentive, my dear friends. So each country, if you want to apply, you need to send an email to Forever Living Products Mumbai headquarters, and 1+3 qualification has to be in your home country only, my dear friend. Then, now coming to the end of this session, when we talk about the summing up of this entire thing, Forever Living Products, really it is there for a person who has got a dream, my dear friends. Or do you have that dream? Ask yourself, dig yourself inside. Do you have a dream? Are you really looking for an opportunity which can change your life and your family's future? If yes, then we have a simple plan laid here for you to make you successful, as we have done so many people, and you can also be a part of us. If you have a dream, then we have a super plan for you to build on that dream. So this is just a beginning, my dear friends. Thank you very much for watching this session, and all the best to you. And I see you as a manager and beyond very shortly. Thank you very much, my dear friends.